Here we have a 2026 Toyota Hiace with a Courier alarm. So you leave the engine running, key in the vehicle, you've got your ultrasonics up in the top of the two pillars, alarm LED down here, jump out the vehicle, get your remote control, vehicle locks, alarm's armed. So this one's also got a tilt sensor as well as the ultrasonics, and it's got a starter immobilizer. So I will run through that once it's fully armed. So the LED will start flashing any second now. Give the noise in the background, it's a noisy environment here. Right, so if I now brake in, alarm goes off, and then I can't start the car again until I unlock it with the remote control. And because we're using the grey key, it's still quite secure. The other cool thing is, if you want to use it when you're not being a courier, you can quite simply use the factory Toyota remote control, and again it arms and disarms the alarm. For more information about courier alarms, check out vehiclesecurity.co.nz.